The sample question paper, 10th, 23-24th year. It's a standard paper. Okay, ba?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, say 80 marks question. So now you first 1 mark paakalam.
Okay, ma'am.
Just first question. So
If
only
2
1 minute.
positive integers.
So only 1 minute, right, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And now start.
Okay, ma'am. If 2 positive integers a and b are written as a is equal to x cube, y square, and b is equal to xy cube, where x and y are prime numbers, then the result obtained by dividing the product of the positive integers by the LCM ABS.
Okay, so first thing, what பண்றீங்க, work பண்ணிட்டு எனக்கு answer சொல்றீங்க. See here, a and b are so 2 positive integers. So given that a as a x cube y square, b as a xy cube, okay? X and y
Okay,
are prime numbers alone. So x and y are prime numbers alone. So a is a positive integer,
Okay,
b is a positive integer. We can express a as a product of prime numbers, similarly b also. Then after that, after expressing a and b as a product of prime numbers, our question is asking here is the result obtained by dividing the product of the positive integers by their LCM. That's all. So உங்களுக்கு ஐடியா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். First நீங்க work பண்ணுங்க.
LCM of AB is x cube, y cube.
Okay, நீங்க சொல்ல தான் எழுதுறேன். So LCM of a, b is equal to x cube, y cube.
X cube, y cube.
Actually LCM எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, so நம்ம வந்து higher, each prime factor higher power pick பண்ணணும். Okay, then.
Ma'am, and the product of the positive integers is x raised to 4 and y raised to 5.
Y raised to the power 5. Okay, then.
So
that is obtained by dividing the product by their LCM. So product is on a numerator, LCM in a denominator.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer?
Ma'am, xy square.
Xy square. So option also. Say the option and answer. Okay?
Ma'am, option B.
Okay, good. So in exam எழுதும்போது கூட option எழுதி தான் answer வரும். Okay. So
ma'am, examல இந்த solve பண்ற part compulsory-ஆ எழுதுறதுக்கு?
That is no need. No need. So
Okay,
இப்போ வந்து board exam இல்லாம school exam எழுதிட்டு இருக்கும்போது some school depends upon the school. ஸ்கூல்ல சில ஸ்கூல்ல சொல்லுவாங்க ஒர்க்கிங் காட்டுங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு, அதுவுமே போர்டுக்கு முன்னாடி வரைக்கும் நான் உங்களுக்கு செய்ய தெரியுதாங்கிறது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக மட்டும்தான். பட் போர்ட்ல நம்ம வந்து எழுதும் போது ஜஸ்ட் இப்படிதான் நம்பர் 1 கொஸ்டின், ஆப்ஷன் பி ஆன்சர்.
Okay, ma'am.
There is no need to show all the working in the main page. மெயின் பேஜ்ல ஒர்க்கிங் காட்ட வேண்டாம், காட்டக்கூடாது. ஸோ நீங்க ரஃப் பேஜஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி செஞ்சுக்கலாம். ரஃப் பேஜஸ் வந்து உங்களுடைய ஷீட்டோட ஆட் பண்ணி பின் பண்ணி கொடுத்துடலாம். டைப் பண்ணும்போது அதையும் சேர்த்து டைப் பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க. அதர்வைஸ் ஈச் பேப்பர் ஒவ்வொரு பேஜ்லயும் சைட்ல காலம் போட்டு நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இதான் 1 மார்க்னா சைட்ல ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு ஆன்சர் எழுதிக்கலாம். மெயின் பேஜ்ல ஒர்க்கிங் காட்ட வேண்டாம். ஓகே.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is one answer, option B, xy square. Now move to the second question. Please read.
The given linear polynomial y is equal to fx has
how many zeros possible? The given linear polynomial, linear means power is a degree 1 only. Here linear is a straight line, 2 zeros, 1 zero, and
2 zeros.
Think very well. Is a linear. Linear means what? So 9th grade la படிச்சிருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? Depends upon the degree, the specific name of the polynomial. So yes, degree 1 means a linear, degree 2 means quadratic, degree 3 means cubic, likewise.
Okay, ma'am.
So degree 1. Say good example for linear polynomial. Can you say now?
Ma'am, x plus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0.
X plus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. But, okay. So, this is a linear expression, two variables. It's power 1,
Yes,
power
ma'am.
1. It's a linear, okay. This is linear with trinomial, three terms. Suppose x
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
3 equal to 0. It's a linear polynomial. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Linear means degree as a 1, exactly 1, 0 only exists. That is
Okay,
true.
ma'am.
Okay, நீங்க சொன்ன answer wrong. Okay, அடுத்து try பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். 1 to 0 தான் possible இருக்கு. So A and D crossed out. A யும்
Ma'am,
wrong,
so
D யும் wrong.
1,
Mm.
0 and the 0 is 3.
Very good. Now, very good. So 1, 0. So here answer number 2 question answer option B, your answer. 1, 0 and 0 is 3. Okay. So இப்படிதான் எழுதணும்.
Okay, ma'am.
So zeros பார்க்கணும்னா your linear graph crosses the x-axis. Wherever it crosses x, all that are noted by zeros. Okay. So here
Okay, ma'am.
crossed at 3. Therefore, is a 1, 0 alone? Is a 0 is exactly 3. Shall we move next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, third one. Just read the question, Pa.
Okay, ma'am. The lines representing the given pair of linear equations are non-intersecting. Which of the following statements is true? Ma'am, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2.
Say the option also, please.
Ma'am, option B.
Option D or
Ma'am,
B.
B.
B. A1
Yes,
by
ma'am.
A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Is correct? So, உங்க graph பார்க்கும்போது தெரியுது உங்களுக்கு they are parallel one இல்ல?
Parallel.
Parallel. Yes, correct. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Very good. So now fourth one. ஒரு 80 மார்க் பேப்பர் தான் சால்வ் பண்றோம். ஸோ நம்ம
Okay, ma'am.
இப்போல இருந்து திஸ் இஸ் டிசம்பர் 1 இல்லையா? ஸோ இப்போல இருந்து உங்க போர்டுக்கு முன்னாடி எவ்வளவு பேப்பர் சால்வ் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் நம்மளுடைய சேலஞ்ச். ஸோ நீங்க
Okay,
எவ்வளவு
ma'am.
பண்றீங்களோ அதுக்கு எதிராக மார்க் சூப்பரா வரும்.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now fourth one. Read the question.
The nature of roots of the quadratic equation 9x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 is...
Okay, how to find the nature? Please share your ideas initially.
Ma'am, we can find D. D is equal to...
Your answer is a D. இல்ல. D is equal to. That D represents
Yes, ma'am.
discriminant.
Yes, ma'am.
The capital D, correct?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
represents a
B square minus
discriminant.
4AC.
Okay. Discriminant. One more symbol for discriminant is a delta. So
Okay,
both
ma'am.
represent same. This also represent discriminant. The formula for this is a B square minus 4AC. Okay. Yes, B square. What is A? What is B? What is C? What is A?
Ma'am, A is 9, B is minus 6, C is minus 2.
Good. Okay. Minus 6, the whole square is a 36.
Ma'am, 36 minus
4. 9, C is a minus 2. So this is 36 plus minus of minus, it will become plus sign. This
ma'am,
36
72.
72. Okay. 70, 100, 108.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
correct or not?
108.
This is greater than 0, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
The greater than 0 means
Ma'am,
what
so,
is the nature?
ma'am, more than 2 real roots.
So more than 2, more
Ma'am,
than 2
2
is
equal
not.
real roots.
More than 2, that is exactly wrong. More than 2,
Okay,
that is exactly wrong. Please look the equation. The equation have a degree as a 2, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
How many roots are possible?
Ma'am, 2.
2 only. So more than 2
Okay, ma'am.
crossed out. So பார்த்தோனே நீங்க cross பண்ணிரலாம்.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
remaining 1 of the 3 only will come.
Okay, ma'am.
So they greater than 0. Okay, 2 distinct. சொல்லுங்க 2 distinct.
Real roots.
So 2 distinct real roots. Option as a
C.
C. Very good. So 2 distinct real roots. So can you say the remaining 2? Suppose that delta value is less than 0 means what? Suppose less than 0.
Ma'am, no real roots.
No real roots. So one more word. No real roots. Otherwise, we mentioned this as a imaginary roots. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Imaginary roots. Extra words தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Okay. Sometimes
Okay,
உங்களுக்கு
ma'am.
imaginary கொடுத்தா தெரியும்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. Suppose equal to 0 means?
Ma'am, two equal real roots.
Very good. So two real roots same time equal. So two real and equal roots. Very good. Now we move next one. It's the fifth question.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
What is the ratio in which a line segment joining 2, -3, and 5, 6 is divided by x-axis?
Mm. What is the ratio? It's a 2-mark question. Ratio means we start our
m1
solution.
by m2 is equal to x2 minus x and x minus x1.
Like here, section formula will apply.
Okay, ma'am.
Section, do you know section formula in coordinate geometry?
Yes, ma'am.
Please say the section formula now.
m1
Mm.
m1 x1 plus m2
M1 x2, not M1 x1. M1
okay,
x2
m1
plus
x2
M2
plus m2 x1 by
by
m1 plus m2
mm.
and y1 no m1
M1
y2
y2
plus m2 y1 by m1 m2 m1
M1
plus
plus
m2.
M2. Okay. This is a section formula. Our question is,
Okay,
what is
ma'am.
the ratio? What is the ratio? So, இது வந்து 2-mark question கூட. Repeated question. Many times asked in board. In school exam also. What is the
Okay,
ratio?
ma'am.
Question start பண்ணாலே we start our solution as let the ratio be k to 1. That's the first line in your solution. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
இது 2-mark மாதிரி நம்ம ஒர்க் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். ஆன்சர் ரவுண்ட் பண்ண போறோம். 2-markனா ஸ்டெப்ஸ் டீடைலா காட்ட போறீங்க. 1-markனா ஒர்க்கிங் காட்டாம ஆன்சர் பிக் பண்ண போறோம். That's all. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Let the ratio be k to 1. Let the ratio be k to 1. Then என்ன பண்ணலாம்? This is a 1 point. The point is a 2, -3. And this is another point. That's a 5, 6. The point of division is on x-axis. Please note that on x-axis. In between,
Okay,
suppose we know these two experiments as a and B. In between, anywhere the point of division is lying. That's P. That
okay,
point
ma'am.
of division is here on x-axis. So in x-axis, the all points is of the form something, 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Something, 0. We take it as a x, 0 or any variable, 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we will apply our terms in our formulas now, please. Say this is a x1, y1, x2, y2. So we go to
Okay,
our
ma'am.
form. This is m1, m2. Say m1
Okay, ma'am.
k x2, m2 x1, 1 times 2 divided by m1 plus m2 is a k plus 1. And k y2 plus 1 time y1 is a -3, no? Divided by
Yes, ma'am.
k plus 1. And simplifying this term, this is 5k plus 2 by k plus 1. Comma, this is 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. Actually, this is the point of division here. And this point of division exactly coincident to x, 0 because that also point division. This is a point of division. This also point of division. This is
Okay,
point of
ma'am.
division. This also point of division. Just comparing these two, the second term, this second term exactly equal to this second term. Okay. Suppose
Okay, ma'am.
instead of x-axis divided by y-axis means here 0, y.
Okay, ma'am.
x-axis க்கு பதிலா உங்களுக்கு y-axis கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா the point of division is a 0, y.
0, y.
First term equal to 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Now second term equal to 0. 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. That is equal to 0. From that, 6k minus 3 is equal to 0. 6k is equal to 3. Or k value is equal to 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. K value is 1 by 2. Our ratio is 1. K is to 1.
Yes, ma'am.
We start with the k is to 1. So k
Okay,
is to 1.
ma'am.
That is 1 by 2 is to 1.
One
So
is
getting the standard form. So the நம்மளுடைய denominator என்னவோ அதால multiply பண்ணுவோம். That's the standard form. Here 2
okay, ma'am.
multiply with 2. Here 2. This 2 get cancelled. 1 is to 2. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This option is in your options A, B, C, D. 1 is to 2. See
Yes, ma'am.
exactly.
Option A.
உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சுதா some? So
Yes, ma'am.
மறந்துட்டீங்களோ?
கொஞ்சம், ma'am.
மறந்துடுச்சு. So recap பண்ணி பார்க்கணும் is important. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So only 1 minute will come now. Please wait.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, 6th question after that 7th question. Seventh question. Please read the 7th question.
Okay, ma'am. A point xy is at distance of 5 units from the origin. How many such points lie in the third quadrant?
The point x comma y is at a distance of 5 units from the origin. Okay, understood. Okay, நீங்க first answer சொல்லுங்க.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you find the answer?
Ma'am, 1.
No, wrong answer. That is your guess, Guess thane.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Okay, one more try.
Ma'am, infinitely many.
Yes, good. Okay, please give explanation.
Ma'am, because it can be at any of the coordinates from the origin at point 5 units away.
Yes, good. This is the origin. This is the origin. Origin. It's not as a O. A point x comma y. So both have a plus sign.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a point x comma y at a distance of 5 units from the origin. How many such points lie in the third quadrant? That is the first one. So x comma y is anywhere. So plus means mostly in the first quadrant alone. So mostly in the first quadrant. So mostly in the first quadrant, from the origin to going to anywhere, all that distance is 5 units only. Okay. And here asking that how many such points are possible in the third quadrant. So third quadrant means just exactly opposite direction of the first one. So here also a part of the circle,
Okay.
On a circle, circumference of a circle, how many points are lying? Infinitely many.
Ma'am, infinitely many.
Here also same strategy. Here a part of the circle as a sector only. So here is also infinitely many. So that we go with the infinitely many. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we move next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Eighth question. Read it, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. In triangle ABCDE is parallel to AB. If AB is equal to A, DE is equal to X, BE is equal to B, and EC is equal to C, then
so
X
AB
expressed in terms of A, B, and CS.
Okay. If AB is equal to A, D is equal to X. And B is equal to B. And EC is equal to C. Then X expressed in terms of A, B, C. Okay, how to do? Hmm. Any ideas? Using the similarity concept.
Okay, ma'am.
Taking the whole triangle ABC to a small triangle inside it, that is DEC.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, so because it's parallel, angle AB is equal to angle DEC, and
corresponding angles. Okay. Let's say in a triangle ABC and the triangle DEC, angle ABC is equal to angle DEC.
ma'am, and
Correct?
angle C is equal to angle C common.
That is 90. Here given as a parallel line, therefore it's 90. And angle C is common. So here
Yes, ma'am.
ACB and here is a DCE. DCE, both the angle as a common angle. Okay, and then by AA similarity, the triangle
ABC is similar to triangle DEC.
similar to triangle DEC. By CPST, corresponding sides are the same ratio. That is AB by DE, BC by EC, AC by DC. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
AB as a D as a X, BC, okay, BC means B plus C. Two options have a B plus C, and EC has a C, AC, there is no need, no, they didn't given that AC, so don't go with AC by DC. So we take these alone, these two alone. So from the expression, isolate X in one side.
Okay, ma'am.
First, you take reciprocal, X by A is equal to C by B plus C. Then what about X now? It will be A C by B plus C now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so it's option B.
Option B. Yes, good. So 2 mark இருந்தால் இவ்வளவு working detail காட்ட போறோம். 1 mark இருந்தால் rough workல work பண்றீங்க, answer pick பண்றீங்க. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
The next one, 9th one.
If O is center of a circle and chord PQ makes an angle 50 degree with the tangent PR at the point of contact P, then the angle subtended by the chord at the center is.
If O is the center of a circle, and chord PQ makes an angle 50 degree with a tangent PR. Actually, this angle is a 50, la?
Yes, ma'am.
O is a center, chord PQ makes an angle 50 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, point of contact P. The angle subtended by the chord at the center is what?
This one angle OPQ is equal to
Q is equal to
40 degree.
Yes, good.
Ma'am, so angle OQP will also be 40. So it will be 80 degree, ma'am. So since because radius of circle angle OQP is equal to OPQ, so 180 minus 80, ma'am, 100 degree.
Yes, good, very good, very good. We're working everything, process, everything is good. So because all time the tangent makes 90 degree to the radius. This is a 90 degree, 90
Yes,
degree. Therefore, this angle, so that part of the angle is equal to 90 minus 50 is a 40. And these two are considered as a radius, means it will become that triangle is isosceles triangle, automatically it also is a 40. Now go with the angle sum property of a triangle. 40 plus 40 is 80. Total is a 180. 180 minus 80 is 100. Yes, correct. 2 mark ஆக steps clean எழுதி காட்டுங்க. 1 mark புரிஞ்சிக்கிட்டா மட்டுமே என்ன. Shall we move next one now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 10th question. Read this.
Okay, ma'am. A quadrilateral PQR is drawn to circumscribe a circle. If PQ is equal to 12 centimeter, QR is equal to 15 centimeter, SR is RS is equal to 14 centimeter, then find the length of SP.
Okay, this is question mark. That sum is similar in circles lesson.
We can draw a diagonal for this quadrilateral.
That is no need. One result in exercise sum.
Ma'am, but if we draw the diagonal and use Pythagoras theorem, we can find it, right?
No need. Direct result we have. One problem proving type sum question in exercise 10.2 circles lesson.
Okay, ma'am.
A quadrilateral circumscribing a circle, then we prove that result is a PQ plus SR is equal to this result, you know. A quadrilateral circumscribing a circle, then prove that or result PQ plus SR is equal to SP plus QR, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
In exercise sum 10.2, I think the sum is near 7 or 8 some. So எடுத்து பாருங்க
Okay,
பார்க்கலாம்.
ma'am.
Please take a book and
Okay, ma'am.
எடுத்து பாருங்க. புக் பக்கத்துல இருக்கா? So have a book ma now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, எடுத்து பாருங்க 10.2 exercise. So அதே question அப்புறம் ஒரு question அடுத்து வரும். Quadrilateral circumscribing circle is a rhombus prove பண்ணுவோம்.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is it this question?
So wait.
8th question.
Number 8. Yes, correct. A quadrilateral ABCD. Yes, same thing. Please read the question, ma. Read the question along.
A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC.
Yes, correct. So alphabet ABCD here PQRS. That's all. Nothing.
Okay,
so there is no matter nothing. So quadrilaterally circumscribing a circle. So prove that here opposite side summation PQ plus SR is equal to PS plus QR. PQ is at 12, SR is a 14, PS is a question mark. So maintain as it is. QR is a 15. Okay, now do the calculation and say the answer quickly.
Okay, ma'am. In 41.
11, Leah.
Yes, ma'am. 11.
11. D. Option D. இந்த ரிசல்ட் மறக்காதீங்க.
Okay, ma'am.
So நீங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிட்டுலாம் வந்தீங்க டைம் வேஸ்ட். 1 மார்க்கு அதெல்லாம் தேவையில்லை.
Okay,
now
ma'am.
11th one 10 questions முடிச்சிருக்கோம். now 11th one. Please read the question,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Given that sine theta is equal to A by B, then cos theta is equal to.
Okay, sine theta given, so that put a right angle triangle. Theta is any one of the acute place, this or that place. Here I take that place that is noted as a BA. Here B as a 90 degree C. Sine theta is, you know,
Opposite by
hypotenuse. Correct. So sine theta opposite here, hypotenuse B. So we need cos theta just to find the adjacent side also. So hypotenuse square minus known side square, B square minus A square. Now write the formula for cos theta. Cos theta formula solunga.
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Yes. Adjacent
by. So option number C.
Adjacent is the root of B square minus A square by
B.
By B. Yes, option C. Yes, correct answer. Is good, ma? Good. Shall we move next one now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it 12th question? Okay, 12th question, please read.
sec A plus tan A 1 minus sin A equals to
Secant A, not sec. Secant A plus tan A
plus tan A
times 1
1
minus sin
minus
A.
sin A.
Hmm. Secant A can written as a 1 by cos A.
Yes, ma'am.
Tan A is a sin
Ma'am,
A
tan
by
A sin A by
cos A. Okay,
okay, ma'am.
already here 1 minus sin A. So 1 plus sin A by cos A.
By cos A square.
Cos square A,
Oh,
cos
plus
A,
okay, ma'am.
cos A.
Plus
LCM is a cos A.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now looking the numerator, A plus B, it is of the form A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square
Okay,
by
ma'am.
cos A. Okay, நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. 1 minus sin square is what?
Um.
It's cos square A.
Okay, ma'am.
We know the identity, first identity in trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the
Okay,
first
ma'am.
identity in trigonometry, please. Don't forget. Please register your mind strongly. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So from this result, 1 minus sin square is a cos square or 1 minus cos square is a sin square. So by cos A.
Cos
So
square.
one cos get cancelled. The remaining is a cos A alone. Okay, where?
Yes, ma'am. So option D.
Yes, correct. Correct answer. Correct answer. Very good. Now next one. Please read.
If a pole 6 meter high casts a shadow 2 to 3 meter long on the ground, then the sun's elevation is
Okay. So put a right triangle initially. The shadow is a horizontal. Okay. Therefore, the horizontal
yes,
line
ma'am.
represents shadow 2 root 3 meter long on the ground. The pole is a 6 meter high. This is a pole. We know that for our convenience, all the pan is known as a ABC. The sun's
Okay, ma'am.
elevation. Actually, in somewhere, sun means we are looking. See, a person here standing. That elevation means that eye view is upward direction. Is correct, ma'am? So depression
Yes,
means
ma'am.
downward direction, looking downward direction. So elevation, we will find this theta alone. This theta. In this
Tan
triangle,
theta.
has got opposite known, adjacent known, so that we go with tan theta. Is it tan or cot? Tan. So opposite by adjacent. So tan theta is equal to நீங்க சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம் quickly. So ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்ட ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க இதுக்கப்புறம்.
Okay, ma'am.
Quick. I found the answer.
Ma'am, how will we find the answer? I don't understand.
Tan theta is equal to 6 by 2 root 3. So
Okay, ma'am.
cancelling with the 2. So 3 times 2,
Okay,
6.
ma'am.
1 times 2, 3. This 3 can return as a root 3. And again, root 3 get cancelled, only root 3 alone. In the tan, root 3 occur at an angle of 60 degree.
Okay, ma'am.
Here left as a tan theta. So tan theta is equal to root 3. So tan theta is equal to root 3. That meaning is root
Okay,
3
ma'am.
occur at an angle of 60 degree. That's all. Okay, wow.
Okay, ma'am.
That is
Okay, ma'am.
option A. So now next question. 14th one, just read.
If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is ma'am, pi units.
Pi units. B.
Yes, ma'am.
That is where guess or working answer.
Guess.
Guess velikaavadu. So perimeter and area are numerically equal. There is 2 pi
So
r
2 pi
is
r is
equal to
equal
pi
to
r
pi r
square.
square.
Okay, both sides pi get cancelled. There is r square is equal to 2r. I say here r cut panadinga. That is not a correct way. R தான் calculate
Okay,
பண்ண
ma'am.
போறோன்றப்ப அது வேரியபிள் கட் பண்ண கூடாது. R square minus 2r is equal to 0. And 1 r is common take. Common எடுத்துறேன் r minus 2 is equal to
Okay,
0.
ma'am.
On that line, r equal to 0, r is equal to 2. The first one is rejected. Why, ma'am?
Ma'am, because the radius cannot be 0.
R equal to 0 means the circle cannot form.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, R is equal to 2. That's a 2 units. So guess
Okay,
பண்ண
ma'am.
கூடாதுமா, work பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். So 2 units is answer. And
Okay,
next
ma'am.
question, next one. 15th one.
It is proposed to build a new circular park equal in area to the sum of areas of two circular parks of diameters 16 meter and 12 meter in a locality. The radius of the new park is.
Actually, இது வந்து நம்மளுடைய portion, related portion சொல்லிருப்போம். Areas related to circles. The first exercise,
Okay,
இதே similar type question மட்டும் நான் உங்களுக்கு teach பண்ணிருக்கிறேன். So can
okay,
you
ma'am.
remember that? ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Forgot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, பரவாயில்ல. It is proposed to build a new circular park equal in area. That area is equal to sum of areas of two circular parks of diameters given that here is 16 and 12 meter. This is not a radius, it's a diameter only. Actually, two circular park. One have a diameter as a 16 meter. Therefore, we take it as a radius is equal to 8 meter, correct? And one
Okay,
more
ma'am.
park have a diameter as a 12 meter. Therefore, the radius R2 is equal to 6 meter. And this area is equal to X, the sum of their area is equal to exactly area of a new circular park. That's a given matter. So
Okay,
new
ma'am.
circular park, radius we take this a capital R. So all are different variable. Then only avoid, this is only for avoiding confusion, okay? So R1,
Okay, ma'am.
R2, capital R, otherwise small r, capital R, anything we can use.
Okay, ma'am.
So areas only, areas na pesrom, not a perimeter. So area
Okay,
of a
ma'am.
circular park, we take it as a pi r square. This is equal to sum of areas of previous two. That is pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Are you okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Right side, pi is common, please take outside. The remaining is just right side, right inside the parenthesis symbol r1 square plus r2 square. And here pi r square. Now looking left and right, pi get cancelled. Is it correct? So this
Yes, ma'am.
get cancelled. So our capital R square is simply R1 square plus R2 square. So capital R square is equal to R1 square plus R2 square. So what is R1? R1 square is here 64 because 8 in the R1. And
Okay, ma'am.
36. R2 is here 6 square is a 36. Now R square is equal to 60, 70, 100. From that, R is equal to what, ma?
Ma'am, R is equal to ma'am,
Root of
100.
100. Root of 100. That is plus
So
or minus
10
10. Minus 10 is
plus
not possible because of radius.
plus 10.
Plus 10 meters. 2 mark working clean காட்டுறீங்க 1 mark இருக்கிறதுனால just pick the correct answer alone. So option A.
Okay, ma'am.
So உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually move next one.
Yes, ma'am.
So only 1 minute, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Only 1 minute. Sixteenth one. Just read the question.
There is a square board of side 2A unit circumscribing a red circle. Jayadev is asked to keep a dot on the above said board. The probability that he keeps the dot on the shaded region is.
Here the question is in probability.
Yes,
That's a
ma'am.
square board of side as a 2A units. So what is 2A? This is a 2A. This is a 2A. The square board as a 2A units. Okay. Jayadev is asked to keep a dot on the above said board. Square board above square board is a wrong color. Above square board. The probability that he keeps the dot on the shaded region. Probably that he keeps a dot on the shaded portion only. Now circle is here. the circle. The shade is just outer of the circle. Shaded portion is here alone. Correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
So the dot keeps on here alone. So here question is, what is the probability? So probability
ma'am.
means possible divided, that is a favorable divided by possible.
Yes,
Favorable
ma'am.
outcomes divided by possible outcomes. Singa எப்படி பண்ணலாம்ன்ற ஐடியா இருக்கு? Please tell. Our dots are here only, outer only.
Ma'am,
That
we
is,
can find area of square minus area circumference of circle.
Circumference of the circle வருமா? Area of a square minus area of a circle only தானே?
Yes, ma'am.
Circumference வராது இல்லாம circle தானே?
Okay, ma'am.
Area of a square minus area of a circle. Then only we will get the shading portion. So
Okay, ma'am.
probably actually area of a square is the area of a square minus area of a circle. Area of a square is a side and side. It's a 4a square.
Yes, ma'am.
Area of a circle. This is 2a means the diameter is a 2a, radius is a a. This radius is
Okay,
a
ma'am.
a. Radius is a pi a square. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Area of a square minus area of a circle means this is a shading portion. This is
Okay, ma'am.
shaded region. So now our required probability is equal to shaded region. That is 4a square minus pi a square is on the numerator. So total, that is square is a total. This 4a square is in denominator. So in the
Okay, ma'am.
numerator, a square is common, take out. Just 4 minus pi is inside. In denominator 4a square, now looking numerator, denominator a square to cancel. Therefore,
Okay, ma'am.
the remaining is 4 minus pi by 4. This is the answer. So we go to
Yes,
what
ma'am.
option now?
Ma'am,
16.
option number B.
B is the option, correct. Correct answer. So உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா?
No, ma'am.
டவுட் இருந்தா கேளுங்க. So இதே மாதிரி சம்ஸ் கூட நம்ம டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ல இருக்கு தெரியுமா?
Yes, ma'am.
டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் ஒரு ரெக்டாங்கிள் ஷேப் அண்ட் எக்ஸைஸ் சம்ஸ் இன்சைட் ஒரு சர்க்கிள் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. ஞாபகம் இருக்கா?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
ஞாபகம்
ma'am.
இல்லைன்னா புக் எடுத்து திறந்து பார்க்கலாம்.
Ma'am, ஞாபகம் இருக்குது.
ஞாபகம் இருக்கு. Okay, 17th question now.
Okay, ma'am. 2
Is it-
cards of hearts and 4 cards of spades are missing from a pack of 52 cards. A card is drawn at random from the remaining pack. What is the probability of getting a black card?
Okay. 2 cards of 14s. So 14 is a 14 வந்து 13 cards இருக்குமா?
Okay, ma'am.
So 14 is 13 cards. So 14 is a 13 cards and spade. This is a black card cardல அது. So உங்களுக்கு cards நல்லா தெரியுமா?
No, ma'am.
Cards தெரியுமா தெரியாதா?
கொஞ்சம் தெரியும், ma'am.
எல்லாம் கார்ட்ஸ்ல கேம்லாம் கேட்கல. ஜஸ்ட் என்னென்ன கார்டு எவ்வளவு கவுண்டிங்ல இருக்குங்கிறது தெரியுமா அப்படின்னு
Yes, ma'am. Each is a 13 இருக்கும்.
ஆமா, அது தெரிஞ்சா போதும். கார்ட்ஸ் கேம்
Okay,
ஆட
ma'am.
தெரியணும்ன்றது இல்ல. திஸ் இஸ் a
Okay,
spade
ma'am.
card. Here also have a group 13 cards. And
Okay, ma'am.
வேற என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கப்பா? It's a spade 14, that's all. பட் நம்ம
Yes, ma'am.
கார்ட்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா and one more thing is a clever இல்ல?
Yes, ma'am.
It's also black color. It's a 13 cards. இதுக்கு clever சொல்லலாம் அல்லது club cards. So one more name club cards சொல்லுவாங்க. And one more thing is a red color card is a diamond card. And உங்களுக்கு நான் probability lesson but deeper teach பண்ணாதனால cards வந்தனால cards பத்தி explanation கொடுக்கறேன், nothing. Okay. This
Okay,
is a
ma'am.
red color is a diamond card.
Okay, ma'am.
This is also 13. So இப்போ நம்மளுடைய கொஸ்டினுக்கு வந்துடலாம்.
Yes, ma'am.
2 cards of 14 are missing. So 2 miss ஆகுதுன்னா 11 is remaining இல்ல?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
4 cards of spade also. This is a spade card. 4 cards are
9.
missing, 9 only left. Actually, from the total pack, 52 cards இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு மிஸ் ஆகிற கார்டு here 2, here 4, 6. So 52
Okay,
minus
ma'am.
6 now. So 6 is a 46 இல்ல? Now total
Yes,
number
ma'am.
of cards is a 46. So now total cards is a 46 alone. A card is drawn at random from the remaining pack. What is the probability of getting black color cards? Okay. Black color change ஆயிருக்கா?
Yes, ma'am.
Here 9. Here 9, but this 13 is as it is.
So 22 by 46.
1922, correct? Answer
Yes, ma'am.
yes. 22 by 46. Answer correct is B. Doubt இருக்கமா?
No, ma'am.
Sometimes answer simplify பண்ணி கூட கொடுக்கலாம். So இங்க ஆப்ஷன் அப்படியே
Okay,
இருக்கு,
ma'am.
செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். சிம்பிளை பண்ண இருந்தா சிம்பிளை பண்ணி ஆன்சர் பார்க்க போறோம்.
Okay,
Next
ma'am.
question போலாமா?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 18th, that question is related to statistics. Just read the question.
Okay, ma'am. The upper limit of the model class of the given distribution is
The upper limit of the model class. So please highlight the model class first.
okay, ma'am.
Oh. The data are given is the here cumulative frequency pattern. Correct?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
not a standard table. Standard table na grouping format la irukum. A to B, B to C. That is a standard table. Here all are as a cumulative frequency distribution pattern. So first convert the table into our correct pattern. That is A to B grouped pattern. So below here 140, then 145, everything is differ with the 5 units only. Correct, Appa? So,
Yes, ma'am.
so first we have to write the correct table. This is a class intervals. This is a frequency. So 140 before is a we go to 135 to 140. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, wow. Then so table form pattern is easy. 140 to
Okay, ma'am.
145. Yeah. One 145 to 150, 150 to, so only 1 minute will come now. Please wait.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you பண்ணுவோமா?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, class 65 வரைக்கும் போகணும். Then
Okay, ma'am.
155 to 160,
160 to 165.
Yes. Now frequency. Below 140, that is 4, correct? Below 145 means 11 na 11 minus 4, okay? 11 minus 4.
Okay, ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க 7 வந்திருக்குமா?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 29 minus 11.
18.
18. And below 155.
40 minus 29.
40 minus 29. 11. It is 11.
Yes, ma'am.
11. Then 46 minus 40.
6.
6. 51 minus 46. 5.
5.
5, correct? Now
Yes, ma'am.
correct table. This is a correct table. Okay, what question model class then? Is a model class, the upper limit of the model class. Now highlight the model class. So highest frequency இருக்கிறத highlight பண்றோம்.
Okay, ma'am.
So highest
Is it 155?
145 to 150 then highest frequency 18.
Yes, ma'am.
18. That is a
Ma'am,
model
so
class.
150.
Okay, here question is the upper limit. So 150 is good.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer இருக்கா? D.
Yes, ma'am. Option D.
Correct answer. Good. So உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சுதா எப்படி செஞ்சிருப்போன்னு?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next question. Read the question. Assess and
In the
reason.
question number 19,
And 20. Okay, along with the basic instructions.
is one assertion is
Um,
total surface area of the top in the sum of the curved surface area of the hemisphere and the curved surface area of the cone.
Total surface area of the top is, this is the top, is the sum of curved surface area of a hemisphere plus curved surface area of a cone. Okay, reason?
No. The top is obtained by joining the plane surfaces of the hemisphere and cone together. The assertion is false, but reason is true.
என்ன ஆப்ஷனுக்குள்ள வரீங்க?
Option number D.
This top na என்னன்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க தெரியுமா? இது full as a top. TOP.
Yes, ma'am.
Total surface area of top is a sum of curved surface area of a hemisphere plus curved surface area of a cone. Correct தானே?
Oh, ma'am, so both A and
A
are
correct.
true.
Top is actually joining the plane surface, correct? Plane surface, hemisphere and cone together, correct தானே? ரெண்டுமே true தானே இருக்கு?
Yes, ma'am.
Both assertion A and reason are true. Yes, correct. Correct explanation. Everything is correct. So this A is answer. And next question.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, 20.
Assertion.
Minus 5.
Minus 5 by 2, comma 0, comma 5 by 2 is an arithmetic progression. The terms of an arithmetic progression cannot have both positive and negative rational numbers.
Terms cannot have a both the positive. Is arithmetic. Is arithmetic progression angrada first பாத்துறலாம். 5 by 2 minus 0 is 5 by 2. This number is 5 by 2. And minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Minus of minus is plus 5. Then yes, everything is 5 by 2. Is arithmetic progression correct? Terms of arithmetic progression cannot have both positive and negative. Other reason தப்பா இருக்கே. So first one arithmetic progression தான்பா. அப்ப A is true அப்படிங்கிறது both. Assertion is true, but reason is a false, I think. C. நீங்க என்ன ஆன்சர் பண்றீங்க? I go with எனக்கு C தோணுது. உங்களுக்கு என்ன தோணுது?
Ma'am, why the terms of an arithmetic cannot have both a negative and positive rational numbers? And how can it have negative and positive?
அதத்தான் தப்பு சொல்றேன். அது பாசிட்டிவ்லயே இருக்கலாம், நெகட்டிவ்லயே
assertion is
இருக்கலாம்.
true, but R is false.
ஆமா. அதாவது arithmetic progression வந்து பாசிட்டிவ் நம்பர் இருக்கலாம், நெகட்டிவ் நம்பர் இருக்கலாம், 0 இருக்கலாம், எல்லாமே இருக்கலாம். So cannot have கொடுக்குறான். அப்ப தப்பு இல்லையா?
Yes, ma'am.
Is arithmetic progression correct? ஏன்னா எல்லா காமன் டிஃபரன்ஸ் சேமா இருக்கு. So assertion is true, but reason R is a false. Correct. 20 questions over. 1 mark section finish பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay. சரிமா பார்க்கலாம். ஸ்கூல்ல இப்ப கரண்டா என்ன நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு மேத்ஸ் கிளாஸ் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும்?
இப்போ மேத்ஸ் கிளாஸ்ல ரிவிஷன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க மேம்.
சரிப்பா. சோ அதனால நானும் ரிவிஷன் ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கேன். நிறைய சம்ஸ் போட்டு பார்க்கணும். நிறைய ஸ்கோர் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே பார்க்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் பார்க்கலாம். டேக் கேர்.
ஓகே மேம். Thank you மேம்.
ஓகே.